Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I have some very bullish news to share with you all. We're going to talk about Goldman Sachs is now using Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital to trade crypto. They're ramping up their efforts on that front. In addition, the mayor of Miami is looking to lure China-based miners and have them come to the United States and mine in Florida. Some very interesting developments. And we also see that other countries are about to follow El Salvador's move of making Bitcoin legal tender. And we see a big one from Paraguay here. In addition, BBVA, the banking giant, has opened up Bitcoin, or I should say crypto trading in custody in Switzerland. Grayscale has added 13 new cryptos, and BlackRock is looking to do something huge in the crypto market. We're going to break it all down. Before we do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, I have a free weekly newsletter. Be sure to sign up. I have a new newsletter going out tomorrow. Once again, it's free. All crypto insights and knowledge. Also, this video is sponsored by OKCoin, which has the lowest fees around among the exchanges. You can stake, you can buy, sell, trade, a lot of great stuff. They have HBAR, Chainlink, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, whatever you want, you can go buy it on OKCoin. So be sure to sign up, link in the description. So guys, check this out. Goldman Sachs ramps up Bitcoin trading in new partnership with Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital. Mike Novogratz is, of course, a Wall Street veteran, a billionaire, and he's been very bullish on crypto, been here for a while. And the big banks, the Morgan Stanleys, the Goldman Sachs, all these Wall Streeters are coming in now, guys. Well, a lot of them have been here already, but they're starting to ramp up their efforts. So the bank, once again, has begun trading Bitcoin futures with Galaxy Digital. As more banks allow clients to trade Bitcoin, the depth and breadth of the market improves, which ultimately should lower Bitcoin's famous volatility, according to Galaxy Digital co-president Damien Vanderwilt. So this is very interesting. The trades represent the first time that Goldman has used a digital assets firm as a counterparty since the investment bank set up its cryptocurrency desk last month, according to Galaxy co-president Damien Vanderwilt. The moves by Goldman, the preeminent global investment bank, may reverberate on Wall Street and beyond as banks increasingly face pressure from clients who want exposure to Bitcoin. By being the first major U.S. bank to begin trading cryptocurrency, Goldman is essentially giving other banks cover to begin doing so as well. Of course, guys, we've talked about this many times, right? You have these significant moments in the crypto market that are green lights. They're green flags for the rest of the herd to come in. Paul Tudor Jones, when he came out as the first billionaire hedge fund manager to do that, we saw a whole bunch of other hedge funds, the other billionaires, Bill Miller, Stan Druckenmiller, all these guys, right? Eventually Ray Dalio. And then we saw companies do it, like MicroStrategy put Bitcoin on a balance sheet. Then we saw Tesla and a whole bunch of others started doing it. And I believe more are coming. And we're just seeing, even on the country level, El Salvador made a move. And what we're seeing is that here, the Paraguayan Congressman Carlito Rejala says he will introduce legislation for Bitcoin adoption in July. And in an interview here by an analyst from Oanda, which provides fast trading platforms for FX and CFD, said on CNBC, other countries will follow El Salvador's lead, making Bitcoin a legal tender. What have I always talked to you guys about on this channel? Game theory, right? And competition. No one wants to get left behind, and it just takes one of these dominoes to fall, and then the others will fall as well. So we are seeing full capitulation across the board. And just yesterday's video, what did we talk about? Politicians here in the United States, Republicans in the House, they're going to accept crypto donations. Democrats are, with Maxine Waters, are forming a digital assets working group. Things are moving in the right direction, but patience is the key, right? We got to go through the market cycles. Now, check this out. The mayor of Miami, Francis Suarez, who I've interviewed about 4 months ago, and if you haven't seen that interview, I'll put a link in the description. He is looking to woo Chinese Bitcoin miners with low energy prices and clean nuclear power. So to get them out of China, guys, to come here. And what we've been seeing is there's been a mining boom in Texas and other states as well, right? I recently interviewed the head of Marathon Digital Holdings, which of course is the largest Bitcoin miner in the United States. So if you haven't seen that interview, link will be in the description as well. And they're moving to clean energy. They're expanding to other states. So we are seeing a whole bunch of investments in Bitcoin mining. And I like to remind people, as much as, President Biden and this politician and whoever may talk negative about Bitcoin and crypto, Janet Yellen to include in that, they are allowing the mining and the big players are setting up shop. Don't miss it. What's happening? It's not what they say, it's what they do. And they are allowing Bitcoin mining to be set up. You got the mayor of one of the largest cities in the United States saying, hey, Bitcoin miners, come here, leave China. You think if there was a big problem, the president wouldn't call him up and the White House, hey, stop that. You can't do that, right? We're about to ban this or we're about to stop this. Guys, I hope you see what's happening here. Don't fall for the talking points and the media headlines that play to emotions. Look at what they're allowing. Read between the lines. Watch my interview with Marathon Digital Holdings, Fred Thiel here, and he talks a lot about what's happening. So things are moving ahead, and it's happening globally. Check this out. Banking giant BBVA opens Bitcoin trading and custody services in Switzerland. So Switzerland, of course, well known for their tax haven and, where you can keep some of your money there. But, the reason why they're doing this, there's going to be a lot of money, a lot of other banks and a lot of folks who are going to want to put their money in crypto, right? So it says here, they're making this available to all of their private banking clients. In recent weeks, other mega banks have been expanding their crypto offerings. Guys, when I see things like this is bullish. I don't care who says what. What they're doing is setting up shop. They're establishing themselves. Everybody's trying to get the biggest share of the pie here, and they know what's coming. They know what's coming. They don't care about these market corrections that are happening now. They're looking long-term, macro level. And I hope you are too. That's how you have to look at it. You can't look at it hourly, weekly, daily. You will be disappointed if you're looking at the price from that perspective, right? Because it's very volatile. And it swings very high, but it swings very low as well. So, guys, big things are happening. And it looks like they're going to have this available to all their clients on Monday, June 21st. And the launch comes 6 months after the bank began trialing the services in Switzerland. So look at that, right? Put your business thinking cap on here. They have to go through the trial and error phase. They have to make sure their services work and R&D and compliance and all that, right? So that's why patience is so important. These things are going to come. Sometimes you hear, well, okay, BlackRock is here and they're doing this. But it doesn't mean they can automatically ramp up from day one. They have to crawl, walk, run. So that's why I always have to stress patience, guys. Now, speaking of crypto mining and Bitcoin mining, crypto miner Hive blockchain to list shares on NASDAQ. The shares will continue to trade on the TSX Venture Exchange. So once again, another example of how the United States, despite what Janet Yellen and whoever the hell says, they're allowing mining companies to go list themselves on stock exchanges, set up shop in different states and get investments and so forth. So, this is pretty clear what is happening, right? So Hive blockchain mines Ethereum and Bitcoin continuously on the cloud and keeps hold of most of its production. Its own data center facilities in Canada, Sweden, and Ireland. The Vancouver-based company went public in 2017 and said it will retain its listing on the TSX Venture Exchange, trading under the ticker symbol HIVE. The shares have gained about 33% this year. Hive did not say when the NASDAQ shares would start trading, but it's happening, guys. Like they mentioned here, the TSX, I think this is the Toronto Stock Exchange, if I'm not mistaken, and it's happening globally. So keep that in mind. It's not just the United States. Now, check this out. Grayscale brings 13 more tokens with DeFi focus under consideration. The 13 include 1inch, or Inch, if you want to say that, Bancor, Curve, Polygon, and 0x. So once again, despite the prices, what they're in the market correction, these companies are making investments. They're setting up shop because they're preparing for the next segment of the bull market as well as future bull markets, right? Once again, whoever sets up early here, they're going to get the largest share of the pie. And the whale of all whales, BlackRock, wants a blockchain strategy for Aladdin, its investments engine. A job posting reveals enterprise blockchain ambitions at the world's largest asset manager. Public and private chains are up for evaluation, a source said. So not only are they investing in the assets, because we've heard from BlackRock that they are investing in Bitcoin, their clients want it, so on and so forth. They're looking to build their own proprietary, possibly crypto, possibly blockchain solution. So there's going to be a lot of aspects that how these folks invest, as far as how these folks invest in the crypto market, right? It's not just going to be one thing. They're going to be doing and offering multiple services, adopting the technology and building their own stuff. So the only thing I see for this market is just success and wins, and the future is very bright. Now, will everything be a winner? No, obviously not. That's why you do have to diversify. You don't want to spread yourself too thin as well. There's a balance there, and you want to keep a close eye on what's happening. This is why I share the facts with you guys, the news of what is happening. Not only what are they saying, but what are they doing. And some very bullish news here from Goldman Sachs, the mayor of Miami, and so on and so forth. So guys, what do you think about this news? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. It's going out tomorrow, and I've got some great interviews I'm working on for you guys, and make sure you got that notification bell enabled. I will talk to you all later.